Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be a cookie monster in DTI. So get ready to channel your inner blue fluff ball because we are transforming into the one and only cookie monster in DTI. And this tutorial will break down the cutest and funniest way to rock the iconic blue monster look. And let me show you the steps for you. First, for the hairstyle, you are going to click on this curly category and put on this hair. Change the color into dark brown. Okay, I'm going to this one and then combine it with this here, but only use the bangs and use the same color. Okay, so now you're done with the hair and put on the outfit. So here I'm going to use this code item from for the top, this one, and for the first color I'm going to use this blue pattern. The first preview is this color. You can copy my hex code, and the second one, this patterns in here. And the rest of the color, use the blue color. Okay, so this is for the top. Now you are going to also put on this bear ears and change the color into blue and combine it with this one for the ears. Change the color into blue and toggle it into version 2 so there's no gravity on it, and change the second preview. It's white, and for the bear ears, the second one, make it black. Okay, like this. We can just use the adjustment feature to adjust the scale and also the position like this. Okay, so once you're done with the top and also the hat, let's put on the skirt in here. Put on the skirt and make the first preview blue color, second one the patterns, and the third one go back to blue. And as for the shoe, I'm going to put on these boots and change the color to all the color into blue like this. So for the first one, change the material into meat and put on this leg warmers, use the same blue color, and also this one on the arms in blue color. So to make a cookie here, I'm going to just grab this ball and change the color into look like a cookie. So let's make it brown like this, and also this is for the chocolate chip, and now it will look like cookies. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.